This is instruction on preparing your vocabulary Prezi. The first thing, of course, that you need to do is to go onto the internet, open up the Prezi website, and get to your main page. The first thing you'll want to do is to open up a new Prezi. It does not matter what you call this, so let's just call this one Vocabulary 1, and click on New Prezi. Then you need to enter your data. And understand you're only going to do one Prezi, and you're going to have all of your words in the same. So we'll do a couple here, and then I'll go to one that's completely prepared. So we'll start by inserting a word, and let's say we're going to use malice. And so the word is malice. Click on the white space, decide what size we want it, decide what attitude we want it. Then we're going to put in, let's say, the definition, which is ill will or spite. And we can type that in, and we can decide what size we want it. We can make it smaller any way we want. And then we're going to put in the quotation, so we'll use Abraham Lincoln's with malice toward none. Abraham Lincoln. We'll need to correct our capitalization issue there. And then again decide how big we want it, where we want it, how we want it spun, and then we need to insert a picture. Now what you need to do is to find the pictures online. They should be high definition because Prezi does not work well with low definition pictures. And then save the pictures to your computer so that when you get ready to put a picture in here, all you need to do is to click on the insert bubble here, click load file. It will take you to your pictures, and then choose a picture, and in this case we want somebody showing malice. This guy's a good candidate. It'll load it in the middle of your screen. You can click, put it where you wish, and again, however you wish it spun, and then click. Now we need to move on to the next word. We're out of space here, so if we move our cursor to the right, left click, we drag the our desktop over here. We can now enter a word. We can enter a definition. We can enter a quotation. And then we can insert another picture as well. So this dog's cute, so we'll put the dog in here, slide him over there, and then spout, and then move on to your third word, fourth word, fifth word, etc. until you end up with 20 items on your Prezi. Then you're going to have something that looks like this Prezi here, which was prepared by a student last year. And where did it go? Here we go. So we'll open it up. And your Prezi, as yet, does not have a path on it. So you click Edit Your Prezi, and you want to put a path on this thing. So you go up to here, and you click on Path. Now, we'll get rid of this path by clicking Delete All. Notice that by scrolling on your mouse, you click the big or small. So the first thing we do is we click on one of the words. Let's say that's where we're going to start, and let's see what it is. It's destitute. Let's a definition for destitute, and that would be extremely poor. It's down here. So then we will we'll find there's a picture of a destitute person, a quotation about somebody being destitute. So we're going to go word, definition, picture, quotation. So now we move to another word. This word is erudite, so we want to have the definition of that, which is scholarly and learned. Rigor, that would be a big book. Then a quotation about the word erudite, and that is here. Then we go on to another word, culmination. We want to find a definition of culmination. So we drag around highest point of attainment. Here we go. And then we were going to go to the picture is here. And then we're going to go to the quotation. And let's see. And this is using culmination. Then we go to the next word, concur, the definition, the picture. This person is concurring, and then we go to the quotation using concur. Then we go to the final word, which is dilemma, the definition for dilemma, the picture of a dilemma, and the quotation, and then we are done. So to just test it, I would then click on show, and you can click on the arrows here. That's we want to go back to the very first thing, which was destitute. Click on, you got your definition, your picture, your quotation, word, definition, picture, quotation, word, definition, picture, quotation, etc. And so this is just fine. So we'll go back up here. We will exit. Now you need to send the link to me. So you click exit, and if you remember correctly from your previous Prezi, you'll get this screen, and there's this thing here that says get link. Click on it, copy it, and then go to Fusion page, go to Google Applications, Google Docs, normal, log in, click on create new document, paste the link here, and then go up to the untitled, and we're going to entitle this block number, and then the last name. We'll call this good, and then vocabulary 1. And just make sure that you capitalize your last name, and there's a space between your block number and a space between your last name and the title. Click OK. Click share. You want to type in here, teacher Florer at Battlefield High School.org, and make sure the can edit is showing, and then click share, and you are finished. Thank you. If you have any questions, please see me.